Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you want to enhance your fitness and overall health, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 essential exercises every man should do daily. Stick around till the end. It's going to be an interesting and informative session. Let's get it. Starting with push-ups, this classic exercise is a powerhouse for building upper body strength. Push-ups target the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders, giving you a well-rounded upper body workout. But that's not all. Push-ups also engage your core muscles, providing stability and support, which is crucial for maintaining good posture and reducing lower back strain. Plus, push-ups elevate your heart rate, promoting cardiovascular health and contributing to fat burning. By varying your push-up routine with different styles like diamond push-ups, decline push-ups, and clapping push-ups, you can continuously challenge your muscles and prevent plateaus. Moving on to pull-ups, this exercise is fantastic for fortifying your back muscles, specifically the latissimus dorsi, trapezius, erector spinae, and infraspinatus. Pull-ups also work wonders for your arm and shoulder muscles, enhancing your overall upper body strength. Even if you can't perform a full pull-up yet, practicing assisted variations or simply hanging from the bar can build the necessary strength over time. Improved grip strength from pull-ups benefits not just your workouts, but also everyday tasks like carrying groceries or opening jars. Regular strength training, including pull-ups, supports bone health, reduces visceral fat, and helps manage conditions like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. Next up, squats. Squats are an excellent exercise for your lower body, targeting muscles like the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. Additionally, they engage your core muscles, providing a solid foundation for strength and stability. Interestingly, squats also activate upper body muscles, contributing to overall functional fitness. Squats are great for joint health too, reinforcing your knees, hips, and ankles. As a compound movement, squats burn a lot of calories by engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, boosting your metabolic rate and aiding in fat loss. Incorporating squats into your daily routine is a surefire way to enhance your overall fitness. Let's talk about burpees. This full-body exercise targets a variety of muscle groups, including your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. Burpees are highly effective for burning calories, making them excellent for weight loss and fat reduction. They also elevate your heart rate, providing a solid cardiovascular workout. Additionally, burpees improve mobility and balance due to their wide range of motion. Beyond physical benefits, burpees also build mental resilience. Pushing through the challenge of burpees can enhance your mental stamina, helping you tackle other life challenges with greater ease. Finally, running is a fantastic exercise with numerous health benefits. Research shows that just 75 minutes of running per week can significantly extend your lifespan. Running acts as a powerful preventive measure against various cancers, including colon, breast, and lung cancer. It's also highly effective for heart health, reducing resting heart rate, improving heart rate under stress, and increasing maximum oxygen uptake. Running engages major muscle groups like the quads, hip flexors, hamstrings, glutes, and calf muscles, providing a comprehensive full-body workout. Additionally, running boosts mental well-being by enhancing cognitive function and improving blood flow to the brain, making it an excellent exercise for both physical and mental health. So there you have it, 5 essential exercises that every man should incorporate into their daily routine. These exercises will not only improve your physical fitness, but also enhance your overall health and well-being. Remember, consistency is key. By making these exercises a regular part of your day, you'll see significant improvements in no time. By the way, friends, make sure to check out other videos on this channel for more tips and workouts. The links are on the screen right now. See you soon and keep building your anatomy. It's the only option.